Today, I'll show you how to activate Wisely card. All you need to do is visit the Wisely website at mywisely.com. Once there, either log into your account or click on Activate Card at the top right corner, which will redirect you to activatewisely.com. On that page, complete the activation by entering your card number, expiration date, security code, and cardholder's name. In some cases, you may also need to provide an activation code that came with your card. You can choose to activate the card online at activatewisely.com or simply call the number printed on the back of your card. Once done, your Wisely card will be successfully activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching Another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.